Car cleaning services versus car detailing. Car cleaning services and car detailing are both methods of sprucing up your car, but they differ significantly in terms of depth, focus, and overall purpose. Here's a breakdown to help you decide which is right for your needs. Car cleaning services. Focus: quick and affordable removal of surface dirt, dust, and grime. Process: typically involves a basic wash with soap and water, drying the exterior, and maybe a quick vacuum of the interior. Benefits: fast, convenient, and inexpensive way to maintain your car's appearance between details. Drawbacks: doesn't address deeper cleaning needs, ingrained dirt, or minor scratches. Examples: automatic car washers, hand washers offered at gas stations or car washes. Car detailing. Focus: in-depth cleaning, restoration, and protection of both the car's interior and exterior. Process: a multi-step process that can include a thorough wash, cleaning to remove contaminants, paint correction, polishing and buffing, waxing, interior vacuuming and shampooing, leather treatment, and window cleaning. Benefits: deep clean that removes built-up dirt, restores shine and luster to the paint, protects surfaces from future wear and tear, enhances the overall look and value of your car. Drawbacks: more time-consuming and expensive than car cleaning services. Examples: professional detail shops, some mobile car detailing services. Choose a car cleaning service if your car just needs a basic wash and doesn't have any major dirt buildup or scratches. For a showroom shine and long-term protection, opt for car detailing if you want a deep clean, restored shine, and extra protection for your car's paint and interior. In the battle of car cleaning services versus car detailing, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It ultimately boils down to your individual preferences and the level of care your vehicle requires. Whether you opt for a basic clean or a meticulous detail, investing in professional car care can prolong the lifespan and resale value of your car, ensuring that it continues to turn heads for years to come.